94 is the natural number following 93 and preceding 95. In mathematics, 94 is the 29th distinct semiprime and the 14th of the form. The aliquot sum of 94 is 50 within the aliquot sequence, 94 being the 9th composite number in the 43 aliquot tree. 94 is the second number in the third triplet of three consecutive distinct semiprimes, 93, 94 and 95. 94 is a 17-gonal number and a non-totient, since it is possible to find sequences of 94 consecutive integers such that each inner member shares a factor with either the first or the last member. 94 is an Erdős-Wood number. In decimal, 94 is a Smith number. In computing, the ASCII character set contains exactly 94 graphic non-white space characters, which form a contiguous range of code points. These codes also used in various multi-byte encoding schemes for languages of East Asia, such as ISO 2022, UCAN GB 2312. For this reason, code pages of 942 and even 943 code points were common in East Asia in 1980s-1990s. In astronomy, Messier 94, a spiral galaxy in the constellation Canes Venatici. The New General Catalogue object NGC 94, a galaxy in the constellation Andromeda. The Saros number of the solar eclipse series, which began on -18 July 9 and ended on 1262 August with a duration of 1280.1 years and 72 solar eclipses. Also the number of the lunar eclipse series, which began on 302 April and ended on 1600 June with duration of 1298.1 years and 73 lunar eclipses. In other fields, 94 is the atomic number of plutonium, an actinide. The designation of STS-94 Space Shuttle Columbia launched July 1, 1997. The code for international direct dial phone calls to Sri Lanka. Part of the model number of AN-94, a Russian assault rifle. M94, a piece of cryptographic equipment used by the United States Army in use from 1922 to 1943. The number of Haydn's Surprise Symphony, used as a nonsense number in various contexts by the British satire magazine Private Eye. Most commonly, spoof articles end halfway through an intriguing sentence with, "The magazine never extends to 94 pages." This was originally a reference to the enormous size of some Sunday newspapers. Each February, Respiratory Health Association of Metropolitan Chicago hosts Hustle Up the Hancock, a race up 94 floors of the John Hancock Center in Chicago to raise more than $1 million for lung disease research and programs. The 94th Fighter Squadron is a squadron of the United States Air Force, currently part of the 1st Operations Group of the 1st Fighter Wing, and stationed at Langley Air Force Base in Virginia. The 94th Infantry Division was a unit of the United States Army in World War II, activated September 15, 1942. Saab 94 was the model number Saab unofficially used for the first-generation Saab Sonnet. Form I-94 is the form used to declare to U.S. customs officers by international travelers the items in the possession, purpose of visit, etc. The number of the French department Val-de-Marne. The lifespan by year number of the Kingdom of Great Britain. In sports, the length of an NBA court is 94 feet and width is 50 feet.